A very good evening to all of you. Very thankful as well. I'm really thankful to all of you because you have spared your time and learning never ends, as we know. Fine. So all learners are here and our mentor is also here. I'm extending my heartiest welcome to our Matthew sir. Thank you for joining us, Matthew sir. And thank you to all the educators who have joined from different places. Thank you for joining. I know that, all of us, we know a lot many things and we crave to learn more. So to fulfill that craving, we all are here. It's nothing like that, we have less knowledge of any of the things. We do have knowledge, or sometimes we feel like that if we know this much part, why don't we know that thing? So to add on to our knowledge, we always go for such learning. So thank you for all of you. I assure you that by the time when you'll be leaving this meeting, you'll be surely having some other thing in your hand and learning. Right. So let's begin today's webinar that is on Google Drive training. Fine. First of all, let me just have raising hands from all the participants who are here to know that all of you, I know that all of you must be having Gmail account, right? How many of you are using Google Drive a bit, maybe? Is there anyone who is using Google Drive a little bit, maybe? Okay.
Yes, we are
Zainab
using.
ma'am. Okay, Zainab ma'am, Manju ma'am. Okay. So, of course, Matt is okay. So, Zainab ma'am, you're using it for which purpose?
Okay, good evening, everyone. I am using it because I am an academic coordinator in my school. So when I make documents, I share it through my drive. So everyone is okay to view it. Sometimes as a viewer, editor, that's the use what I'm doing. But I would really like to learn more from you today.
Okay, thank you, Sanam ma'am. I feel like that I'll be able to add on some learning to you as well. Okay, Manju ma'am, for
Yes,
what purpose you use?
from our school side, we are using it for uploading marks and all. Everything
Okay,
result or everything we are doing, lesson planning,
okay,
all things are done there.
okay, that's great. So that
And
means
Google
Google Forms.
of course Google form for
Forms,
question
exactly,
papers and all.
exactly. So that is why in the very initial I said this thing that it's nothing like that we don't know the things. Sometimes we are having more craving. Sometimes we feel like that we'll learn something more. Fine. So let's see that if I can add something to your knowledge as well. I'm just going to share my screen. Um, I hope that it would be visible to all of you. I am just straight away taking you all to my Gmail account. Right? I hope it's visible to everyone. Just give me a thumbs up for that. Right. Fine. Thank you so much. So this is our Gmail account, right? Now, a couple of things I would like to mention over here. This, I hope this box is clear. This 9 dot box. This is the app launcher. To this we call app launcher. From here, we can straight away and in a very short method, we can directly enter into our drive. There are different apps into it which are wonderful. Google has lot many apps into it. And one of the app is Drive, which has lot many other things into it. So today we are going to explore a bit about it. We'll be talking about a couple of things. So let's get into Google Drive first. Okay, so it's already open there with me. So when I click over there, so we reach to this place. Now herein you can see I have a lot of things, a lot of stuff keeping. I have just kept it, a lot of stuff over here. You can see some PPTs are also there, images are also there, some audios are also there, right? So a couple of things which are there. We just need to first of all organize it. So Google Drive is all about where we put on PPTs, we can put on some documents, we can put on some videos, audios, whatever we feel like. It's a total sort of a cupboard for our all important things which we want to keep at one place. So let's first of all, initially, I would like to tell you that if lot many stuff is already there in our Google Drive, how we can arrange it. So for that purpose, this icon, I hope that all of you can see the new sign, right? So from this new sign, if we click on folder, the very first part, folder, right? So this will pop up. Now this folder, so suppose I just want to make my all the images which are there into my drive. I want to put all my images into one place. So I'll be just writing image. I'll just name it image, this folder, and I will create it. Now when I'll create, you can see now this images I had already done it. I just already did it. I'll just remove it and then I'll show it to you again how it is to be done. So this image folder we have just created. Now to this image folder, if I just want to put my all images inside, like suppose this is my image, right? I want to drag, I will drag it and I will keep it inside, right? So it can go it that way too. See, it is already there, right? It has got into it. So I'll again go back to my drive and I'll put some other image. So it's very simple, just clicking on the image, whatever I want to do, and I'll just simply drag it and put it inside. I don't have to just upload it in any other way. I'll just tell you the very easy steps with which what we can do. So this is just putting up different images into it. Now, if I'll click it, you'll see that there are two images now. Now it is all up to me that what folder I want to make it. So if I have to go back, I'll just quickly go quickly just click on my drive. So in this way, we can make different folders. So now this is my image folder. Suppose I'm to make my another folder. I'll just do a right click arrow, right click a new folder. From here also I can just get it. Like I'll do it again. Either one option is this, right? Or if my cursor is at any place, right, blank, I'll just do the right click and I'll just hit on new folder. Now next folder, suppose I just want to make it of audio, right? I'll just write audio and enter, right? I'm telling you two steps. First is this. From here we created one folder and then like after renaming it, we hit on create button. Second, clicking on any blank place and new folder when we are clicking it and writing the name and then just simple enter. So it will get created. Now to this audio, like these audios are there, I'll just simply again put it here. I'll just drag it and I'll drop it. See, it has got disappeared from there. Right. So to some other audio, if I just want to put it, so this is here. So this also, I'll just click it. I'll take it up and I will just drag it there. So it will get into it. So when I will just open the same folder, audio folder, I would find that there are two audios into it. See, it is there. So this is like, it is very important for, again, I'll go back to my drive. Now it is very important for all of us when we make, because we make many stuff, right, into our Google Drive when we start using it. So it is very important for all of us to make a particular folder for all these things, so that whenever we need to search for anything, it becomes important for us. It becomes convenient for us, you know, that we simply click on that folder and we get into it, right? So this is just the way how we can manage the folders into Google Drive. Now let's enter into Google Drive. Then what is it all about? So herein, I am just taking you again to this new click. Fine. Next is this file upload, folder upload, this file upload. This, although it is not there into today's webinar counting, right? But still, I'm just telling you a bit about it because we are talking about Drive. So file upload, you must be doing, right? One second. File upload means if we are to just go on our desktop and we have to upload any file, again, we can upload. So file upload is one, like this image, suppose this image or this video I want to upload, right? This is file upload. And suppose if I am to upload one full-fledged folder, right? Sometimes we have folders into our on our desktop. So suppose this whole folder is there, right? If I'm to upload this whole folder, so I'll just simply click on it and I'll upload, right? If I'll just click on upload, you'll see it will ask for the permission. First of all, this will upload all the files. It will ask that, do you really want to go for it? So if I'll just click on upload, it will start getting uploaded. Okay, right. So simultaneously, it will start working. Okay, now you can just see here is my arrow. You can see that here uploading one item. This is all showing over here, right? If I just do the canceling, it will get canceled, right? I just need to cancel it now because that was very heavy folder which I started uploading, right? So it will take a little bit time as my screen is also in share. 1 second. Okay, right. So it got cancelled. So in this way, we can upload the full-fledged folder also, and we can upload little bit files also, which are there lying in our desktop and taking up all those things into our drive and then managing all those things into different folders, audio, image, video, and all those things. So this is the body of drive, what we use into it. Now today, as I told you that Drive, this app, it has lot many stuff into it. So today we are just gonna to learn about 3 things. That is Google Docs, Google Sheets, and Google Slides, right? So we'll be learning about this. Now, when I click on the new sign here, as you can see, this new sign is here, right? When we click on this new sign, it will give me this option: Google Docs, Google Sheets, Google Slides. It has this one way to open it. Otherwise, if I just simply go on Google site, there only I'll just type Google Docs. It will give me new document there itself, right? But I'll just use this Drive box to show you also that it become more convenient to all of you. So let's start it with Google Slides first. So when I just click on Google Slides, right? Before this, one more thing I want to share with you all. So this is the PPT, which I made it into Google only, right? This is Google Slide actually. So I had made it into this only. Okay, so this is the PPT. I'll show you that how we can make it as well. Whenever we are to show any PPT in screen share, we just do Control plus F5. It will take us to full screen. Control plus F5. When we do it, right, it takes us to the full screen. So this is my first slides. Now today, because we are going to learn about Google Drive, we need to know that what are the benefits of it. First, it has its own mobile application, right? You can easily get this Google Drive into your mobile phones also, as we have WhatsApp, Telegram, or any other things, right? Next, these files can be opened at any of the device. You know, if you're working on, suppose this is my laptop, if I have worked on any one of the document here, and I'm not carrying my laptop, fine, but I'm in my school, and there if I open my PC in my school or at my working place, there only if I just open my Gmail account and my Drive box, whatever work is there, it will be there. So that is the best option which Google gives us, that you can open your files anywhere on any of the device, whatever work is done into Google Drive, right? That is the best part of it. Earlier, honestly telling you, I was facing many problems, you know, when I was used to make documents in Microsoft Word or Microsoft PPTs. I was used to, first of all, make it in Microsoft PPT or Microsoft Word. Then I used to mail myself. Then I was used to go to my place and then open it again, download it. So a lot of other steps I was to do. But now I don't have to do anything. I can do work over here. I do it. I finish it off. I don't have to even save it, right? And I go at my other place and I can open it anywhere. So this is the best option, that any file can be opened anywhere, right? And 15 GB storage space, that is another addition to it. That 15 GB storage space it gives in itself, no matter that what storage space you have in your mobile or what storage space you have into your laptop, right? 15 GB storage space is there of your Google Drive only. So that is also a big thing. So variety of information you can share, anything, image, video, audios, sheets, Excel, whatever you think of, you can share it, right? It does not restrict you to share anyway. Can be accessed from anywhere, as I told. So collaboration and sharing easy tool. Now, this is one of the very mega feature of Google Drive. Let's suppose I'm working on Google document, right? Now, if I'm working on Google document, I want that, you know, Meenakshi ma'am also to work on it. So I don't have to mail my document to Meenakshi ma'am. I just have to share one little link to Meenakshi ma'am, and Meenakshi ma'am can also work on that document or PPT or sheet, whatever, right? So this is called collaboration and sharing, which is an easy tool. Even 2 people, 3 people, 10 people, they can work on it all together. Right. Suppose one Google document is there and I want to work on it. I want Meenakshi ma'am also to work on it, Zainab ma'am also, Matthew sir also. So n number of people I can ask to work on it all together, and we can see the work of each other, what changes are being made of. So that is all about collaboration. So this is a little part which we are going to learn today in documents, in sheets, and in slides, right? So we'll be just moving ahead without spending more time into it. Okay. All right. So I am now just going back, closing this, and I'm just taking you to, again, new slide. So let's learn first of all slides. So this is slide. So click on blank presentation or from a template. See, it is giving, if I just click on template, it will give me various of another options, these options, that what I want to use on. Right, that is all my call. It has many stuff into it, n number of things, but generally I prefer to take my own or make my own or customize my own PPT. So I always use blank, right? So I can use blank from here as well, right? Or else if I don't want to, again clicking on new, Google Slides, and then blank presentation. From here also I can start. Now this is my slides, Google Slides, we call it. PPT, generally, a very simple word, which we say. Now, first of all, let's talk about the layout things, right? So I'll just take you to these things step by step. Slide, if you click on this panel, right, there are various options, many stuff which you can learn about. I'll try that as many things we can explore here and today, right? And rest is all up to your learning also, that how much you can learn about. So first of all, if we click on slide, it gives us this apply layout option. Number 1, other, if you just see here also, it has different options. So here also, this is second option. From here also, you can get it click. Now, if it is visible to you, it gives me various options, right? So suppose I just want to go for any blank. I don't want anything else, right? I just want blank document, nothing else, no header, footer, nothing. I'm to work on my thing myself. So then after that, I'll be just changing any background. I can choose any image. See, it gives me any image. Now, when I do click on image, see, it gives me wonderful this option. Now, Google Drive, PPT, slide, or document, it gives you this wonderful option. Google image search, right? Suppose I want to search for some duck background, right? Suppose any, or rather duck background, I would rather type shaded background. All right. So shaded background here. So it will give me these different options. See, these are beautiful options. I don't have to go on any Google site again and again. I have to download any background, nothing else. So it gives me different options for my different slides. So suppose I go for this, okay, I go for this, and I just need to click on this insert option. I'll just insert it. I'm done with that. Right, see, this is so beautiful and so easy. And otherwise in Microsoft PPT, what happens, whatever background you choose, it gives you same backgrounds, right? But in Google Slides, it can give you different options. Now, suppose if I'm just clicking over here, right, enter. I have just clicked on enter. Now, when I clicked on enter, it will give me this option, right, again. So if I'm to choose another background for this. Okay, so another background, I want some other color. So I can just go for any other color, same way. Like again, the same thing is open. I can pick up it from anywhere, right? So for this, I just want this option, right? Okay, so here we go. Right, see, my both slides are of different colors. This is the beauty of Google Slides, that it gives you various options in even different colors, anything. You don't have to download any images or anything option. And not only this, themes also, you can see on this panel, it gives you various options for choosing any themes, and number of themes are there. You can choose any themes, it gives you for this, right? So this way also we can go for any themes and backgrounds. If I just click on themes, it will again, we can get it from here as well. Like suppose I just click here and enter, right? Just one second. Okay, so this is again blank. Now these are the different themes. So if I just want for this, now see, my third image is different, that is from themes, right? So these are different panels which we can get it from different background or themes. So different layout also. Layout means I want some heading myself and I want to add some text or image. So layout means that. So different layouts can be there. Like if I just choose for this layout, it will give me these options, right? So this is background, layout, and theme. So these three things which we can work upon in Google Slides. Now let's move next. So I just clicked on slide. This is change background, apply layout, right? Transition we'll do a little later. Now just come on file. Let's begin it from here. Okay, let's begin it from insert first, because that is the main thing. So in insert, you will again see there are a lot many stuff which we have got. I'll just click on first of all my first slide, and then I'll click on insert. Now images. Now for inserting images, again it gives you a lot of option. Upload from computer. You want to search it from, you want to search it from web. You want to take it from Drive. You want to take it from the photos which are there, linked, synced with your Google account. You want to paste it from some URL or even from camera. You see, if I just click on camera, right, it will take me to this camera option. So at present, my camera is working over here. So I guess that is why it's not taking it up. It is already in use, but it will take it, right? So when your camera is not in use, you're just making this PPT. So it will just take your picture and it will add on directly. You don't have to add anything stuff. So this is also something very beautiful feature into it. So I'll just take again, insert image. Now let's one by one. Upload from computer, all of you know, it's very easy. Now the beauty of it, search the web. Now so you see when I just clicked on search the web, a panel is already open there. It is not taking me out from the PPT, right? It is already there. Search for images. Suppose I am to just start it with books. I want to take some image of books, right? Books image. Okay. So this, okay. If I, one more thing, when images we say, sometimes, you know, we get restricted. Like suppose if I just choose this image, it has its own background. I would suggest that when you go for any images, you go for some transparent images. Like what? Books, right? Transparent image. When I just write transparent image and I put enter, right? See, these are transparent images. This, you know that I already put it on. Now see, if I just click on this, anything you can click. Insert. It will get inserted. See, it has no background. It looks like that the shelf is this, right? So transparent images, there is no any white, green, blue, any other background in it. So it is showing it that this is as very natural. So I can drag and drop, I can resize it in any of the way. It is already fit into it, right? Now this is inserting image right from the web, right from the Google. Now if I am to insert some image from my Drive, so from my Drive also, I can insert any of the image, whatever stuff will be there in my this particular Drive. Like as you can see, these images are already there, right? So I can just put any of the image like, okay. All right, sure. Let it be any, fine. So I'm just clicking on it, this, and I am clicking on insert. Fine, see, it is coming up. So I can simply again drag and drop very nicely here. This is dragging and dropping, any of the way. Fine. Now this is inserting images either right from the web. You can insert right from computer or from the web or drive or photos. Or now by URL means what? Now by URL means now this feature which I'm just going to tell you, take it into very good notice. Just click on this tools option. If you just click on tools option, there is one option, explore. Right. When you click on this explore option, you would find it is again taking you to some web. Now suppose again, if I'm just saying reading books I've written and I had put enter. So it is again, it has taken me to directly to the web, right? Directly to the web, like images I want, or I want it again in the drive or the web. Now suppose I'm to add some link. I want that this thing, I want that my children, they, or I am presenting my PPT. I want the people to know. I don't want to take them to Google again. I'll just simply see this URL, or this is one way. I can just simply copy and paste it from here, or other way, if I just click on it, then only it will take me to another Google window. Then only it will take me to another Google window. And then from there as well, we can just simply copy. This is called Omnibox. This panel is called Omnibox, where we search the things, right? So this is Control C. I did it, and I'm going back to this channel. And here I am just inserting, insert by URL I was talking about. So if I'm just pasting this URL over here, right? Okay, because this is about images, so it is not taking it that way. So just wait for a minute. So, okay, images. This. One second. Right. Okay. Let's do it for linking here. So I have just clicked on this, and then I am doing some linking to this bookshelf. I was talking about that this bookshelf I want to link with something else, right? Adding by some URL. So here I am pasting my URL, which I already copied and pasted, and I'm applying, clicking on applying. Now what will happen? Just see this, what will happen? It is already there, right? When I'm clicking on this image, it is already there. Now suppose I'm just taking you to preview, right? Let's see how it looks like. So I'm just taking this to present option. Okay. Now see, can you see this lower panel? What does it mean? It means this lower panel. It means that it has some thing into it, slide 1 and slide 2. And if I'm just clicking on this, it will take me directly to that site from which I have taken this stuff. Right. I hope you got this linking, what I'm talking about. I'll repeat it. I was here, I was showing PPT, and I want to show to my students, okay, so this is the picture, these are the books, or these are the authors which we are talking about, right? And let's see that what these authors, they have written on it, right? In it. So I'll just click on this image because it is already linked with some website. So it will directly take me to that link. I don't have to show to any other thing. So this is called linking the things. I can again go back to my presentation, right? I'll just need to escape. When I do escape, so I'll come back to my presentation. I hope till here everything is clear. If any doubt till here, yeah, any doubt till here? Anybody wants to ask anything?
Ma'am, this is Meenakshi Subramanian. I don't want to ask, but just a suggestion. Like you were just now telling, whatever you are doing, I am also doing side by side on. So if people can do it simultaneously, they will be able to understand better.
Yeah, Meenakshi,
Otherwise,
why I did not ask for that, because then This is my own personal experience that when you do the things simultaneously, so a couple of things you miss on. I will be floating my video into the group itself, right? So that if anything you want to work upon again, that is all up to, next is all up to, sometimes if you feel like you're smart enough, you can surely do it. Fine. So that is why initially I did not suggest, because this happens with me. When I learn such technical things, so practically when I do side by side, so 80% I'm able to do, but 20% I miss on. So I don't want any one of you to
No.
That's why.
No, it's not. See, I learned from Matthew's videos only. Doing this mentorship program side by side, we were doing, so we were able to learn.
That's good. That's good. That's great. That's great. Right? If we can do it simultaneously. I hope till here everything is clear, or any doubt you can surely ask. Right? Are we done till here? So inserting images right from, again, I'm repeating, uploading from computer, searching from web or from drive itself, or by URL also. So this is searching images by URL, right? And then next, I just clicked on one more thing, which I linked, right? I linked on these things. Okay. Now next part comes text box. That's very easy. All of you know that text box is very easy to create. So we just need to click on text box. I'll just go on next slide. Already text box are there. So I'll just put one more text box and I'll just write down anything on it. Right, anything you write. So this is, again, I'm just, okay, as you can see, the color is not coming up that way. So we just need to click on it, select, double click, it will get selected. If we just double click, or selection, all of us, we know, right? Bold it. The same features are there, which we normally have, right? All these features we already know. I'm just trying to tell you that this is already there. We just don't need to think or worry about this thing that we'll get these features over here or not. We can surely change the color, bold, italic, underline, right? Text color, or the color of any highlighter if we want to use. The text color, if I just want to put some, red color into it. So it will come into red color. So again, this part also, I just want to increase its size, font size. It will get increased the same way. I want to add it 50 or whatever, right? It will get into it. Again, from here only, we can just do it in the center alignment, and we can change the color of it from the same way as we already do it. So this is the changing of color, right? The same way. Okay. And same way, it can just drag and drop can happen very nicely, right? So this is inserting text box into it. Now comes now comes audio, which is wonderful tool into Google Drive slides only, right? Otherwise it becomes very difficult to add on audio in Microsoft. I personally experienced it. I don't know about others, but I personally experienced it becomes very hectic. You have to download or lot many stuff. So if anything is there already there in my drive, which I can easily drag and drop also from my computer, right? It takes very easy step. So these are things, this is stuff which is already there into my drive. If I just tell you this, sometimes you feel that, okay, all right, I'll just take you to search option. Okay, suppose what I was talking about, that you must be wondering, in Drive, we don't have all this stuff. So how will we be doing it? Suppose this is an audio, right? Or this is, as you can see, this is the video. So I'll just simply have to click it, and I have to just drag it into my drive. This is my drive, anywhere, down, not in any of the folder, down, and leave it, right? If I'm just leaving it, it will start automatically, it will start uploading into it. So uploading anything which is already there, I'm having, it's not at all difficult, and it gives me very easy access when I get into the things. So I'm again going back. So here I want to insert some audio. So audio I'm already having the same way. I'm already having in my drive. Suppose I choose this and I insert it. I select. So it is creating audio now. You can see the sign. It is already there. Right. So this is the music. I hope it's audible. Meenakshi ma'am, is it audible? Done. Right. So as the same way, again, I'm to go for Control plus F5. Let me see when I'm showing my presentation. Is it audible? So this is the tool. Yeah, I just need to click it here. Fine. I just need to click on this present button. Very easy. This way, right? So any audio you want to show, that is also very easy into this Google slide. Next, the same way, if I just go on my next slide and I want to add some or insert some video into it, same way, my video, if it is there, see, this is another option for videos. You can search from YouTube also. Now, suppose if I just want some inspirational video over here, right? I just want some inspirational video. So I don't have to go to any YouTube over here. I'll just simply search, right? It is giving me these options. I just need to, I can just play and any of the ones. Okay, I just click on this, right? I just need to see it. If I just need to see it, you can just simply double click and it will just get fixed over there, right? See, if you're double clicking, it is already being inserted. You don't have to even paste any URL, any linking, anything else. You don't have to do it. You just have to see this. You see, this way, you just have to enter and copy and paste. And it will automatically, it will get played. It is directly from YouTube. See, it is working. So I just, here. It's working.
Once upon a time, there was a young, athletic boy, hungry for success, for whom winning.
Right. I hope it's clear with all of you. So this inserting video, again, I'll say inserting video, it can give me option this, that I want to do it from YouTube. I want to do it from URL. Suppose as I just went on, this Google site.
Pooja ma'am,
Yes, ma'am.
excuse me, you don't have to download the video, is it?
No. That is the beauty of Google Drive, we don't have to download. Otherwise, what we have to do, sometimes we have to download the video and then we have to upload into PPT. So herein it gives us beautiful option that we can directly see. I'll just again do it. Search YouTube option. Same way, any morning. Okay. So morning meditation, something like whatever is coming to my mind, I'm just writing it here. So if I just do any search related to anything, I just have to click on it, right? Generally, we know any of the things. So just clicking on it and, select. Okay. So there is one other video. See, these are the two videos on it. On one slide, two videos. This is also one of the options. I just have to fit it here. That's it. So two videos are there with me right now. Fine. And now let me just see Control plus F5. Fine. See, I have two videos over here. So if I just click on here, this will show, right? Pausing it. If I just click on here, show and pausing it. Right. That's it.
Good morning.
Right. Escape. Fine. So this way we can even insert 1, 2, 3, 4 videos according to our convenience also. We can insert these videos as well. Right. Next, coming up, just a couple of more things of it. Inserting shapes. Now herein, if I just click on another slide, I want another slide, I'm entering over here. Okay, right. So I just want to insert a new slide over there. Actually, when you share screen, so sometimes, net does not allow you to do some things. Okay, so this is my new slide. Right. Now in this new slide, I just want to add on some shapes. So some shapes, any of the shapes. You see how beautifully shapes also will get into it. So this is simple shape, right? I can fill it. Simple shape. This is just simple shape. I hope all of you know these things. I'm just telling you that it does not have any such feature which is not there. Whatever Microsoft even PPT they have, it has more than in it. So shape, if I just talk about call outs. So call outs. Okay, so this is one of the call out I want to take upon. This is the call out. I want to fill it. I want to fill the color in it. So this has different option. I want to fill it with something bright, that is okay, yellow. So it will come into yellow, and it has automatically text into it, right? Boom, right? Automatically text. I don't have to again insert any text box. No, it like here also, if I just click here, I just need to click on double click, right? Hello. It has automatically text box into it. I don't have to go anywhere again to text, right? So again, I'm selecting it. I can change the size anyway. I can just make it bold. I can make it italic. I can make it underline. From here, these options, which with these tools, right? I want to make it in center. From here, I can just make the alignment into center. I want to change the color of it. I can do the coloring change, right? In the same way, if I just want this also to enhance it, this boom, I want to increase the size, I can go for any of the size. So 30 number, right? So this is increased. Fine. So this is so easy into it. Again, any n number of color I can change into it, right? So this is entering, inserting any shapes, which can be of any size, any color, any way, right? That is inserting shape. In the same way, these are different tools which you can surely check yourself. We can insert any charts, any bar, any column, right? Any diagrams, word art. This is also very beautiful. Generally, we don't get it. So word art, if I just click on it, see, I just need to type over here, okay, drive. Right, or Google Drive. I'll just write Google Drive, right? I have just typed on Google Drive, put it on enter, right? See, this has come over here. I can drag it, I can drop it anywhere. So this is what? This is the word art, different word art. Now, it has different option. If I just click on again word art option, it gives me this text box. I want to go for anything. Again, any font size, anything, I can go for it. This is the option. If I just want to change any font size, anyway, see, it is changing, right? So that means within itself, it has lot many variety into it, right? So this is all about inserting different things into it. Now, next, अब बना तो लिया हमने सारा कुछ. What about next thing? I want to, okay, so these are different options. I want to share it. Now, this option which I'm going to talk about, this will work in everything. Google Documents, Google Slides, or Google Sheets, right? Share option. I want to click on share option. I want to share this thing. Okay. Oh, yes, this is something very important which we missed on. So see on the top of it, I can just see, one second. I don't want to be share for time being. First of all, I want to name it. I am to name it, right? Because we have not given any name. So this is, let it be suppose demo 1. right? Now it has some name. I want to share my demo 1, 2. I want to share it. Now sharing has, this is something very important tool of Google Drive. Please make sure you learn it. Right. Share with people and groups. Now, any one of you can send me your email in the chat box, right? I will just write that. Okay, any one of you. Okay, right. I received from Sripal. Sripal ma'am, right? I have just copied and I am just pasting it over here. See, it can be easily copy and paste it also, right? Or else if I just have any other option, these are my own mail IDs. I want to share with these a couple of people, right? Anything, n number of mail IDs I can add into it. I just need to copy paste, right? I just need to copy paste, or I just need to write down or choose right from all the IDs which are already there into it, right? Okay, so here I have just added one ID which I just received. Okay, now this person, I want that this person can edit this drive or can comment also on any of the slide or just view. This is all in my hand. This is also one of the beautiful tool of Google Drive, right? Whatever option it wants to have. Fine. So I just want that, okay, sir can edit it. So I have just clicked on editor option and now I will be sending it to sir. Okay, so Sripal sir can just check into his mail. He will be sharing it. He can just, check it. Sripal sir, can you just tell that have you received it? So it is somebody needs access to the drive. See, this is my already protocols. So I am saying that, okay, I am sharing it. Okay, Sripal sir, just to let me know. Yes, sir. Are you able to open it? Yes. Okay. Sripal sir, just work on any of the thing. Do anything. Let's see. I'm just clicking here, enter, new slide. Just insert anything, whatever you feel like. Kuch bhi, or write anything. Let's see. Just click to add title. Just write down demo, something, whatever. Are you able to? So your voice is not audible. Okay. Sir, I just want you to edit it. Do something. Okay, fine. He must be having some audible issue. So that means what I meant by this, that when we share, right, simultaneously, 2 people, 4 people, 10 people can work on it all together and they can see each other. The changes, the changes, what they are making it. They can see all those changes that कौन सा बंदा क्या change कर रहा है, ठीक है, और उसको क्या चाहिए. Simultaneously, that person can put on some suggestion or comment box also. So this is called, if you see here, open comment histories. At present, abhi tak koi comment nahi hai. There is no comment. If I just want to add some comment, suppose this slide is there, right? I want to do some commenting to this, right? So what I'll be doing, so suppose this I have selected, I want to comment on this. Just 1 second. Sripal sir, are you, am I audible to you? Hanji. Let's see, Sripal sir, first of all, can you work on it? I want to see. Anything? Maybe your voice is not, write anything, Sripal sir. I don't know where you are writing. Sripal sir, am I audible? Send me a message in chat box either, because you're not audible anyways. Sure. Anyways, it's okay. So that means, we can share it with an n number of people. And besides that, see, here, if you see this icon, so I can see that how many people they are working on it all together. So it is already showing. I want to check. So this I want to check. Okay. All right. So I'm just clicking on sir's ID and I'm just messaging it. Okay. I just want to send some message to sir. So it will take me to, another things, the Google Hangouts, that if I just want to chat with any of the member with whom I just want to check that what they are doing it, right? It will take into chat box as well. It has many options into it, right? Sripal sir, just give me a signal if you are able to edit it. That's way. Just show me thumbs up if you are able to edit it. Okay, done. That's great, right? Fine. Thank you, sir. So this thank you, sir. Thank you so much. So this I had already told you that this way we can talk about, we can just connect it with the n number of people all together. So this is not only about Google Slides, in Google Documents, what we'll be learning right now away also. Everything, this is very common, which we can talk about, right? So this is all about Google Slides. Now let's quickly turn to next thing. Next is Google Sheets, right? Now Google Sheets, if I just take you, again, I'll just go to blank spreadsheet here, right? Otherwise, for the convenience, so this will be opened, right? For the convenience, I just made a data already done with me. I'll just like to open that data. I'll just cross there. So this is sort of demo sheet which we opened, right? I hope it's very much clear to all of you from where we opened it. So this is Google Slide. So already I had just a couple of data with me, right? These are the different things, different numberings. Fine. Now herein, sometimes what happened, now if I just click on A option, I want to insert one column to the left. It is already there, right? The same way as we worked on Microsoft Word, or sorry, Microsoft Excel. I want to add some names, right? I'll just simply write some alphabet. Okay, so suppose these are different students and we have to make their marks sheet. Fine. It becomes very difficult for us, to calculate the things or in some or other way. I'll just delete all these things for you. Okay. Wait, I just clicked on copy. Right, delete it. So these are the students, my RSTU, n number of students, and these are the marks which they got. Maybe in term 1, suppose in term 1 they got these many marks, right? Now next, they got marks in term 2, something else. So this is the merging actually here, it is done. Fine, I'm inserting one more column here. Insert one row below. Sorry. Okay, fine. So this is the merging column. So if I'm not to merge it, so I'll just simply select it. This merging also, I guess all of you know. Fine, merge all or merge horizontally or unmerge it. This is already merged, so I'll not just touch it in any way. This is another number. This is term 1, and in term 2, suppose they got any other numbers, 5, 6, 5, 4, or something, 8, or 2, or 7, 8. Randomly, I'm just writing any numbers. Fine, we'll just do the calculation that how quickly it happens. Okay, till here. Now what happened? This is term 1 and this is term 2, right? Now term 1 and term 2, I want both the addition to happen. Now the formula for it, there are 2 options. Number 1, I have to write equal to, right? Then select this. I have to click over here, select control plus control. I'm just adding on control and then clicking on my keyboard plus button, right? Okay. So here, just control and sorry, shift plus, fine, shift plus this and enter. So it is taking me to the calculation of it. Now, and not only this, I don't have to do it for all the columns. It is already suggesting me that you want to fill all the columns for plus. So it is already suggesting. I just have to click on the tick and it will give me all the numbers, right? That is the beauty of it. Suppose if I'm to just do some minus over here, same formula using same way, equal to, right? Selecting the same column, right? Shift minus. So this is first of all, okay, 1 second. Okay, minus, and then this column I want, I just need to go on that column and enter. Fine, it has got deducted. It is all in minus. Again, it is asking for the suggestion. You want to autofill? I say yes, and it is autofilled. It is giving me even the number in minus also. It is telling me. So plus and minus. We just need to start it with this way. Same way, if we are to do it for multiplication, again equal to sign, selecting this column. Now on this, you will see if your keyboard, you will check with the number 8, right? There is one asterisk sign, right? That asterisk sign, we have to just click here. That is the multiple sign, right? I'm just clicking on that, and with what I want to multiply, I'm just taking the cursor on that column and enter. So it is again giving me suggestion for the whole multiplication of all the columns. Very easily it is happening. Same way it gives the division option also, right? So division option, same way, equal to, selecting same column, right? And with like second row keyboard, you see a slash sign is there, right? Question mark ke niche slash sign hai. I just have to write it, that, type it, and then another कि किसके साथ मुझे उसको divide करना है, clicking on that box and enter, right? It is giving me even the numbers in this way. So I just need to click on the tick sign, and it is giving me division as well. This is one way to do it. Suppose sometime you forget कि formula ही भूल गया कि क्या था, क्या बताया था, right? Another very easy way to do it, right? Again, I'm just going on another column. चलो यहीं पे करते हैं, right? Just this way. Here, I just want insert one column to the left, right? So it is giving me inserting here. I just want to do it again. Up here, you can see there is this function. This function is already telling me many stuff again. I want to sum. I want to take out some percent average. I want to count it. I want maximum. I want to minimize or what, right? It is already giving me all that stuff. So suppose I am to again do the multiplication. I just need to do this, taking my cursor over here, then control this. Both columns I have select, and I am clicking on this column, and I want sum to happen. Fine. And enter. See, it is already there. Same way it asks for the option, right? So this way also it gives us all the functions of adding, subtraction, and division and multiplication. I hope it is clear. Any doubt till here? If anybody wants to ask. Or show me thumbs up. मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है इतनी देर से मैं बोल रही हूँ. Right. Others also were sitting with camera off. So तो नहीं गए. मीनाक्षी मैम, मंजू मैम, everybody please एक बार एक वेकअप कॉल दे दो भाई प्लीज. मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है वैसे ही विंडो से बात करते करते ऐसा लगता है पता नहीं शायद हम भी बोल रहे हैं. I hope
no, ma'am, this is too good. Sorry to interrupt you. Really, it is so engaging. We have not slept actually making notes. It's really very engaging, ma'am. Especially the sheet, Google Sheet is fantastic. Really very helpful. Thank you.
Thank you so much. So this is, it's not only this about Google Sheet. You know, it has many other things also, all the stuff. Let me show it to you. So I just want now next picking it up. Now this is file option. Anybody has unmuted? Okay. Okay, now what next? Okay. Edit. Sorry, just insert. inserting. Now inserting same way, this way also we have lot many stuff into it. Linking. Now linking, I want to do it with what? Link. I clicked on link. Now suppose I have some, Google से मेरे को कोई calculation मैंने निकाली. I want to show some stuff to my students. कि कोई bar graph मुझे दिखाना है. Fine. And I am to show some Google sheet. Suppose population bar graph. Right. I want them to read it, right? कि हाँ भाई इसके साथ एक्सेल शीट ही नहीं देखनी, इसके साथ कुछ रीड भी करो कि पॉपुलेशन का बार ग्राफ क्या है. Suppose I'm just making the Google sheet on that stuff. So I'll just simply click on this link, Control C. I'll go back to my demo sheet there, right? I'll insert the linking here. Fine. So I'm just inserting it. Applying. See, it is already applied. Now it's not only this. Where से जहाँ पे मेरा cursor होगा वो वहीं पे apply हो जाएगा. अगर मेरा cursor नीचे होगा, right here, I want to apply it here. I'm just inserting it, right? Again linking, same way, right? मेरे पास वो already copy paste है, तो I'm just applying it here, right? So it will get applied. So directly from here only, the person can click. If I just click on this link, this will show me this all stuff. And I just have to click on it and it will take me to the whole that document which I want to make show to my students. This is all about that linking, right? Okay. So this is about linking also into the Google Sheet. Now, except this, inserting me, what more? There is one second. Okay, again, comment box, which is again very interesting. I want कि भाई यहाँ पे some calculation is not good in this column. मुझे लगा इस column में some calculations are there are some mistakes, right? So I just want to comment over here. Fine. So here I can just simply comment, right? Check it. Right? Check it. Comment. अब मैंने ये comment जो यहाँ पे लिखा है, right? Whenever I will be sharing it. Whenever this is my comment history, इसमें क्या-क्या comment आया कि जिन लोगों ने भी इसको comment करा है, right? Everybody, that will be visible over here. Now suppose whenever I am to share it, okay, file, share this option, share with others. Fine. I just want anybody, yeah, Jay ma'am, I'll show the multiplication again. I just want anybody else to send me the email ID. Gmail ID. Anyone else? Anybody else can send, please? Okay, I just received from Anita ma'am. Control C. I have just selected her email ID and I have added it over here. Now I just want that Anita ma'am can comment or add it or viewer. This is again, I'm saying the beautiful part of it, right? So I just want, अच्छा एक ये तरीका है, इसके अलावा there is another option also, right? ये तो हो गया कि चलो share with people. चलो first of all, let's do this way. Okay, so I'm just sending it to ma'am. Ma'am, you check. Did you receive it? Veena ma'am. See, it is already showing here that one person is already added.
Yes, I did receive it and I'm trying to open. And just go to insert and comment, isn't it?
Yes. Whatever stuff you can edit. आपको कुछ जैसे मैंने अभी सिलेक्ट करके कमेंट करा है मैम, कैसे करिए?
अच्छा, सेलेक्ट करके करो?
हाँ जी, कोई भी कॉलम you select it.
अच्छा.
हाँ, see, Anita ma'am has written over here in comment box. Hey, thank you. I can read it. I can see it from here. Fine. I'm taking it from here. मैं इसको resolve कर रही हूँ. Suppose Anita ma'am ने मुझे कुछ suggestion यहाँ पे दिया. See, simultaneously both of us we are working. अभी तो Zoom चल रहा है, जब Zoom नहीं चल रहा है, right? So you people are far away. You people can connect so easily. यहीं पे मैं chat box में ही कर रही हूँ. Hi Anita ma'am, something like that or something like that. Kuch bhi.
So I've sent right now.
Right. So it is directly chatting simultaneously and telling next person that what more is required. Right. This way. Right. I hope this is clear. So this way we can just share. This is called collaboration and sharing with other people what they are doing it. Right. As Anita, I'm just whatever she's writing, it is already visible to me. Open all comments. If I just click on open all comments, every comment will be visible to me. Right. So this is all that interesting in Google Sheet, which generally we don't get in Microsoft Sheets. ठीक है, दो लोग इकट्ठे, अब हमने suppose A, B section, as we are articulated, A, B, C section, 3 sections are there. I want कि भाई किस format में हमने term 1, term 2 के marks भेजने हैं, just we can make one Google Sheet और उसी को इसको मैं copy paste easily कर सकती हूँ. I want this stuff to copy and paste. So इसका make a copy, if I'll just click it, this will take me to another this thing. Make a copy. इसका again it will get a copy and it will save into Drive. वहीं पे. Fine. Suppose मैं इसको लिख दूँ demo 3, right? Share it with same people? No. Or copy comments? No. Simple. Okay. Fine. See, same stuff I am getting in demo 3. ये मेरी drive में आ जाएगा. Fine. That would be in my drive. So same way आप same किसी का format वहां से pick up कर सकते हैं. It is so easy. This is called sharing and collaboration in Google Sheet, in Google Slides and Google Document as well, which is the beauty of it, right? This is the inserting part. Achha. Now, next, one more thing I was wanting to show all of you. Okay. Yeah, this. When you click on, अभी इसके अंदर और बहुत कुछ है, अगर हम एक एक चीज करें तो मुझे लगता है 2-2 घंटे का सेशन हो सकता है बहुत easily, and we can explore all the tools. But I'm just taking up all those main features which we can go for. Fine. Now when we go for this format, it has beautiful themes also, right? That I want some new theme for my this thing. कि किस theme में मुझे जाना है. That is again a big thing. आप उसको explore कर सकते हैं yourself. अब जो मैं आपको दिखाना चाहती हूँ, I want some alternative colors to my all rows and columns. Fine. So I have different options this way. Suppose I choose this, right? And I am done. Okay, 1 second. So here, suppose I'm selecting this. Again, format, alternative colors. So I'm choosing any of the color this, right? See, it has done. I'm choosing it from here. Colors also, different colors. मुझे first row का ये color चाहिए, color 1 मेरे को ये चाहिए, whatever. I can choose different colors from here only. I want color 2, any of this color, right? So different colors also I can make it. मुझे पता है इस line का ये color होना चाहिए. English marks, math marks, or something like that. It can go in row wise also. It can go for, column wise also. The same way it can go happen. Right? This is again something which is very beautiful. मुझे एक column का color नहीं change करने की ज़रूरत है. That way also it can happen, and this way also it can happen. So this comes in format, right? So font size and wrapping. This is all very little things which all of you can really explore yourself. There is many other stuff. Okay, so ma'am was asking that, okay, multiplication. I'm just going ahead again with that. I'm inserting one column again. Okay, inserting one column to the left or right. I just want to insert it here. So for multiplication, I just need to click on the box from where I want to start up. I'll click on equal to sound, right? Clicking the box, then asterisk sign, right? Which is right above 8. Shift and it gets there. When we press shift and we press 8 button, that asterisk sign, it comes over there, right? And then I'm selecting this one, this column that I want to multiply it with 5, this column. I have just added. ये B3 और C2 क्या है? Exactly. This is B3. B3 means यहाँ. 1 second. Okay. So B3 means, so this B column, right? And this third row. Okay, and C2 kya hai? This C column, right? And this second number, right? And this way, I just click on enter. If I just click on enter, it gives me this. 1 second. It became 0. Let me do it again. Equal to, selecting that, multiply sign, this, and enter. Right, see, it is 280. Now again, it has various other option for it. अगर मैं इसको यहाँ से drag कर दूंगी, right, तब भी सारी calculation simple हो जाएगी. मान लो आपको वो tick वाला option नहीं आया, you just need to drag it. Fine, अब मैं Control Z करती हूँ. ये देखो मैंने Control Z किया, it got disappeared. I just simply need to drag it. It will come into this option, and dragging also will give me same multiplication of all the digits, whatever is there, right? So Anita ma'am is trying to do something, so her name is visible. See, because I have already shared this thing with her, so her name is visible. Whosoever will, अब जैसे Anita ma'am, you just type anywhere else, कहीं पे कुछ type करो, कुछ भी random number anywhere. Meenakshi ma'am, you want to ask anything? Yeah, please.
Yes, ma'am. Like this, we have in our school the result sheet and all, which they ask us to check each calculation. So suppose we duplicate the sheet and then insert these formula and do it. Is it possible, or will it disturb the original sheet?
No, ma'am. When I have made a copy of it, right, then it will not spoil others' sheet, right? That is my own copy. That is my own copy. When I am working on the same copy which is being shared, जैसे ये वाला copy है, I have shared it with other participant. If from this side I'll make some changes, that changes will, will be visible to ma'am also, with whomsoever I have shared, right? Then only the changes would be visible, right? I hope I'm clear with that. Right? Okay. So this.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, I have a doubt.
Yes, ma'am.
Now, I made a copy of the spreadsheet which you sent me. Okay. And I actually changed the number there. Was it visible to you then?
No.
No. So I have to make the changes in this spreadsheet, isn't it? Which you have shared, this demo.
If you want to work along with me, right? Fine. Then you need to make changes here. वो मैंने copy इसीलिए बताया. Just suppose sometimes we feel like कि term 1 में what is the format? I want to know from Meenakshi ma'am. Meenakshi ma'am, I don't know कि 10th grade का format CBSE का क्या चल रहा है, right? What is the way with which we can give some marks? तो वो format मुझे अपनी Excel sheet, अपनी personal बनानी है, right? For that I had just made a copy of it, and I'm working on my own copy. That is the purpose behind. I hope I'm clear.
Ma'am, I have a query.
Yeah,
Like
please.
we have to multiply, like in my subject, we need to multiply 50 into 0.8. Can we do it here?
Of course, yes.
Use the same method instead of multiplying two rows. Can we simply multiply it with one particular numeral? All right.
50, if I'm just writing 50, right? And on other column, I'm just writing 0.08, something like that, right? Now, in this column, I just want to multiply. I have written equal to, selected this box, right? And it is automatically picking कि आपको इन दोनों column को multiply करना है. I'm just clicking it on enter. It is already done. I hope it's clear.
No, without writing 0.8 in another column, can we still multiply?
Without writing, I didn't get.
Like we have to multiply the whole list with 0.8. So instead of writing 0.8 in every column, can we still multiply?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, I just need to do it. See, अगर मुझे यहाँ से अब it means आपको यहाँ से 0.8 से आपको multiply करना है. That way you're saying? अच्छा, 1 second.
Yeah, the whole row should get multiplied with 0.8.
Okay. So equal to, I just want this whole column needs to be multiplied, right? 1 second. it will take it up twice. That will happen column wise. You're saying this whole column to be multiplied with 0.8. Am I right, ma'am?
Ma'am, no, 5 into 0.8, then 3 into 0.8, 5 into 0.8, 6 into 0.8, that way.
हाँ, that way also, ma'am, you can happen. ये देखो, यहाँ पे 0.8 लिखा.
हाँ.
0.8 you have already written, right? Okay. I just एक second. मुझे insert नया column. I will just insert one new column. Right. So here I'm just writing 0.8. Fine. एक कॉलम मैंने ये बना दिया, राइट? इसके बाद आई जस्ट वांट दिस टू बी मल्टीप्लाइड सेम वे इक्वल टू यहां से ये कॉलम, राइट? एस्टेरिस्क साइन एंड दिस वे, राइट? सो दिस होल आपका ये वाला कॉलम ऑलरेडी सारा का सारा मल्टीप्लिकेशन में चला जाएगा.
Okay, thank you, ma'am. Thank you.
Thank you so much. So this way we can just insert lot many stuff into it. We can do adding, calculation, right?
Ma'am, there is also one option to make the column as absolute. We can do it that way also. We can put a dollar sign before that column and the row.
Ruchima, actually, yeah, that is also one of the possibilities. There are other 3-4 other options, you know, to do it. I am
Yes.
just telling the easiest option क्योंकि जब हम बहुत ज्यादा टेक्निकल हो जाते हैं तो हमें और भी बहुत सारा स्टफ पता चलता रहता है, right? There are other so many formulas. I'm just telling the basics things so that nobody should get confused. So उनको बड़ा easy सा लगे, ठीक है? And initially it is very easy for doing all this thing with all these simple formulas. So that is another one way. Ruchi ma'am is absolutely right. There is that way also with which we can surely do the calculations. Fine. So this all stuff was related to Google, this sheets. Now, just last, why I have taken it at last? Because ये जो हमारा main Google document है, right? This is something very important. और इसमें इससे भी ज़्यादा चीजें हो जाती हैं. But I'll not take much of the time. Same time we are to end by 6:30. I'll try to end it by 6:30 only. Fine. So I'm just picking up same blank document. वहीं से मैंने उठाया, right? So same way अगर मैं यहाँ पे simple चाहूँ तो मेरे पास एक यहाँ पे I have this demo stuff wherein I've already, you know, कुछ copy paste मैंने करके रखा हुआ है, suppose some typing and everything is already there. Now to all this stuff, let me just close other windows. अच्छा, एक और बात I would just add on, because I have also learned all these things. Suppose I don't want this this particular window to get off. If I just simply click on this window, तो अगर मैं इसको pin कर देती हूँ, fine, it will come into very first. तो मेरे ये cross करते करते अगर कुछ cross हो गया तो ये window cross नहीं होगी unless or until I'll just click on it. ठीक है, जब तक मैं इसको particular cross नहीं करूंगी, I have just pinned my window कि ये कहीं नहीं जाती. When I'm just doing it crosses. Otherwise, in Google Drive, you need not to worry. Google Drive में आपने देखा होगा मैंने कहीं save पे click नहीं करा. Because जब मैं save पे click नहीं कर रही हूँ तो automatically save हो रहा है. Whatever is getting saved, everything is there only in Google Drive. Okay, let's talk about Google Doc now. Now, Google Docs, same way, these are very basics which all of you must be knowing. जब हम कुछ भी document पे लिखते हैं, this is all bold, italic, right, underlining, and then text color, same highlighting color. मुझे कुछ इसको highlight करना है, I want to highlight it. Same way I can do highlighting. I can just put it into red, something like that. Fine. Or I can just put it into yellows. So this is all that stuff. Fine. One second. I just need to select it again and then put it to yellow. Right. Okay. So this is all. These are all the basics, plus and all. Now what we need to learn over here, ये तो बहुत basic सी चीजें हैं जो हम यहाँ पे कर लेते हैं. Generally we need to make papers. Now for question papers or some other document, I want my 10 other people to work on it simultaneously. The process is very similar. अब यहाँ पे मेरे को यहाँ पे कुछ suggestion देना है. right? First of all, let me again work on it. I just want to share it with people. अभी तक मैंने आपको, I just told you one way, you know, one way is this कि Gmail account किसी का हो, तो अब मान लो मेरे पास किसी का Gmail account नहीं है, I don't want, तो फिर मैं ऐसा नहीं है that I'll be stuck with the work. I have another option, that is get link. Fine. This is the link of my this document. I'll just have to copy this link, right? Copy this link, and I want ki who, anyone with this link, anyone who is there with this link, that person can have it. Now I'm just pasting it in my chat box, right? So now all of you can work on it. आप इसको अपने अपने उस पे desktop पे open कर सकते हो. Fine, and just check that can you work on it or not. See, I'm getting so many signs up. Fine, so many signs. It means all these people, they have joined me over here. ये देखो सबके ये auto faces है, right? Anonymous, like you know, these are because आप लोगों का वो ID हमारा भी नहीं बना होगा, so that is why it is already there. So this is also another feature of it कि इसको आप कैसे अपने name से fit कर सकते हैं, or you don't want to work on it. Let's work on it. You can work on it. Add some image. Try to add some image. Same way. Now inserting same जो हमने अभी सीखा. Image यहाँ से again beautiful way. Inserting image can happen from here. You know, searching from the web. Same way. मुझे web पे जाना है, तो web पे if I want to search, I want some you know, smileys, smiling children or something like that. Sure. I want some smiling children faces, their image, right? Any image. So this is suppose मुझे ये image put forward करनी है, right? I've just selected it and I just need to insert this image over here. Fine. So it is there. तो मुझे कहीं और जाना नहीं पड़ा उस चीज के लिए. I don't have to move my things from any, you know, anywhere else. I just have to insert the image, upload from computer, same option जो हमने अभी तक सीखी है, right? Upload from computer, search the web, drive photos, or by URL the same way, right? It is the same way. Table, drawing, chart, every option is there. अब इसमें जो हमने नया सीखना है, first of all, I was wondering, these people, those who have joined, are they doing anything on it? कुछ कोई work कर रहा है? Something or other? Type it. Try to type it. Anybody? Let me see who is doing what.
Excuse me, ma'am. I've
Yes.
tried to open the doc, but it is saying request for edit.
Okay.
So it's,
Other people, they have got it.
you know, for me, it's asking for, you know, it's saying request edit access.
Okay. Actually, I'm at present, I'm sharing the screen, so I'm
Yeah,
not.
yeah.
able to-
No, doesn't matter. I'm just saying that it is
I
just.
understand. Fine. At least those who have already there with this document, they can do it. Anything, कुछ भी typing or inserting करके देखिए, please. Let's work. Shripal sir, you're not able to do it? Acha, one second. Let me do it again.
I'm not able to do it too, ma'am, but
Wait, I'll check it again. Okay. Anyone with the link? Okay. Because मैंने देखिए ये restrict हो गया ना, मैंने यहाँ पे viewer का option रखा है, right? If I'll just click on the editor option, right? मुझे यहाँ पे editor option दे रहा है कि भाई everybody I want to edit it or not. So anyone with the link, editor option. There are various options, editor, viewer or commenter. So editor का option दिया, copy link, done, right? Now I am just sending it in chat box. Just check it now. Hanji, anybody? Yeah, I can see people are writing. See, my hands are here. So somebody's writing, reading, fires up, something like that. Okay. So as many people can work on it all together, whosoever, right? Anybody. You can insert images, you can write down some document. so that person name would also be visible यहाँ पे, because आपके names Google ने something, you know, they have taken up the virtual IDs, so not virtual exactly, net की अपनी एक IDs होती हैं which they generally pick, जिससे हमारे basic accounts बने होते हैं, जैसे हमारे portfolios होते हैं, right? So somebody is writing here more beautiful or something like that. So n number of people can work on it all together, right? अब मुझे suppose I want all these people, right? I can see all these viewers, that how many viewers are there. These are all men, all people are there who are, you know, seeing this, working on it. Okay. Now I just want everybody to view only. जैसे मैंने view करा, तो you will see that, you know, you will see, just check. अब देखिए, ये देखिए, somebody has added some image also, right? That stuff. Right? अब मुझे बताइए, this is the viewing mode, right? Okay. From here only, again, sharing and collaboration the same way as we have done it. ये feature मैं आपको mainly बताना चाहती हूँ because this is the most beautiful feature of it. अब इसके अंदर there are a couple of more things which I want to tell you. इसका सबसे best चीज ये है. Now suppose I have this selection, this reading books and all, fine, and okay, yeah, here citations, right? Tools. Now what does citation mean? Suppose मैंने कुछ ये, अब जैसे ये image है, I had just taken this image from somewhere else. I want to give some credit to this. जैसे हम कई बार documentaries बनाते हैं, right? This is for other professional purpose, not for teaching only, other professional purpose, right? I want to make some citations over here. कि भाई मैंने यहाँ ये कहाँ से उठाया है, मुझे इसको link भी करना है. I'll just close it. One second. So from here only, clicking on citations, when I just click on it, citations with what I just want. This, right? This is the citation. One second. Entering here. Actually, lot many things are open now. One second. I just have to close it. Sorry, I'll just have to close it. And again, go on any stuff. Okay. Just another 2-3 minutes. Fine. So I was just telling that citation if I'm to do. So suppose when I'm inserting it here, so in inserting, if I'm to add in some image, which I'm just taking it from web, right? जैसे कोई भी image जो भी अभी हम randomly फटाफट से उठाएंगे and we'll check, right? Happy Mother's Day. Okay, fine. Happy New Year wishes. Chalo, whatever. Right. So I am just taking it. Okay. अच्छा इसको explore से करते हैं. Let's do it from explore because हमने उस पे बहुत कम work किया है. Let's take up the citation from exploring only. So वही मैंने tools पे click किया. Tools पे click करके I'm just writing Happy New Year same way. Fine. So it is taking me to web also. Explore का option ये है benefited कि आपको web में, images में, drive में सब में ले जाता है. Right. I just want ये देखो आप सबके आगे देखो ये double commas हैं. What does it mean? It means कि आपका एक citation है जो आप ये सारा stuff whatever you're picking it up, you want the credit to be given to this site. तो ये citation आपका यहाँ पे already upload हो जाता है. Let's see. This is the citation from where you have taken up this stuff. यहाँ पे आपको visible है Happy New Year. Fine. कि मैंने ये सारा stuff इस site से उठाया है. When we make some documents and all, there we work on it. Now, except this, there is one more thing, and that is translate document. Fine. अब मुझे suppose translated copy of demo. मुझे ये सारी copy चाहिए in Hindi language. अब यहाँ आपने देखा that all of these things, it was there in English. So translated document Hindi में चाहिए. I have translated it. Now when you will see, okay, now see down. देखिए ये सारा का सारा whatever stuff was there, whatever words were there, they are all in Hindi now. I don't have to download any font. मुझे कुछ नहीं करा, मेरे पूरे लैपटॉप में हिंदी font नहीं है. I don't have to download anything. It is automatically taking me up into that translation. So tools, clicking on tools, I'm again telling, clicking on tool, translating document, the whole document is translating. And next one, very beautiful feature, voice typing. Click on voice type and I want to speak something. Okay. Hello everyone. See, it is in Hindi now because मेरा language मैंने हिंदी में select किया हुआ है. Now, if I just go on this document, जो हमारा English का document है, I'm picking up tools. I want voice typing from here. Okay. Hello, everyone. So this was a wonderful session with all of you. Thank you for your interaction. See how quickly it is taking up. Whatever I'm speaking, it is taking up so fast. So I don't have to, sometimes if we feel like that we are to dictate it something. So that way also it would be dictated. See, whatever I'm speaking, it is picking up so fast. And I am to stop it. I will click on the button, I'll hit it, and it will get stopped. So it has many features into it. Right. So all that stuff, which is very beautiful into this. मैंने बहुत कोशिश करी कि as many things as I can tell you from Google Drive. Right, but because of constraint of time, whatever I could tell, I just told. I'm very yes.
Could you, could you just tell me once again regarding the pinning thing? How do you pin it? Because that's something I'm.
Yeah, sure. I'm just sharing my screen here, same way. Okay, suppose many windows are there, right? I click on any window. This window, I don't want to get it closed. I have just clicked, open that window, right click and pinning. Right? When I do it pin, तो ये सबसे आगे चली जाएगी यहाँ पे. Right? It will not get closed unless and until just I do it. Right? So this is unpin. Unpin means I don't want it anymore. Yes, Meenakshi ma'am.
Ma'am, I have two questions. One is, can we save our Google spreadsheets in a folder in Google Drive? Because
anything, all the documents, यहाँ पे, I'm sorry I missed on this part. I'm really sorry for that. अब इन तीनों features का best part ये है, आप file पे जाओ, you click on download, you have various options that in which format you want to download. कोई भी slide है, document है, PPT है. I want to download it in Microsoft Word. I have clicked on Microsoft Word. It will automatically download it, right? ये मेरे computer set में ये देखिए यहाँ पे आया, and now it is there on my, here. See, it is in my computer also. अब ये वाला document मेरे Google Drive में तो है ही, but it is there in my laptop also, saved somewhere else. So this is that way.
No, ma'am. This I always do. I just want to ask. Can we create a folder in the Google Drive and save the spreadsheets also there?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, of course. The same
Okay.
way as
It is.
as initial only. ये देखिए यहाँ से new, right? And folder. Folder यहाँ पे click किया मैंने. Any folder, like suppose sheets का है. Sheets. Click on sheets, right? And ये देखिए यहाँ पे आ गया. उसमें कोई भी sheets मुझे डालनी है. I can just save it. ये वाला sheet है मेरा. I'll just drag it and I'll put it inside.
Okay. Thank you, ma'am. And another question is, now my Google Drive, I'm now using multiple mail IDs for that purpose only. This thing get totally full, that your drive is totally full. So is there any capacity of that? I want to resolve this problem.
I just told in the beginning, it's only 15 GB already it gives us. Then with me also this case happened, but in that case what I did, I just simply started using my another ID. That's because 15 GB is the free data and that is too much. Okay, 15 GB आपका साल भर में कहीं नहीं खत्म होता, तो एक session के लिए at least one Gmail account is more than sufficient.
Okay, thank you so much, ma'am. Wonderful session.
थैंक यू मैम, थैंक यू सो मच। ये मेरा वैसे पहला सेशन था जिसमें मैं ज्यादा बोली और मैंने सुना कम है, राइट? अदरवाइज माय नो सेशन इट इज लाइक दिस, जिसमें मैं ज्यादा बोलूं, आई लिसन मोर, आई लव टू लिसन मोर पीपल। चलो, I'll just not take much of the time, it's already 6:40. I'll just simply share with all of you. I guess Matthew sir is there, or ma'am?
Yeah, I am here. I am here. I was.
Okay. Okay, sir, sir can share the certificate link.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, ma'am, it was wonderful.
Thank you, sir.
I must work some more. When you send the recorded version, I will work some more, but it was really good.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much.
Good, ma'am. And that's the reason I couldn't comment, because I was thinking there are so many new things to explore.
Yes.
And maybe the pandemic has, given us this platform to really work on technology. Really, ma'am, simple things which we already
Simple
see
things,
there, but,
absolutely.
you have helped us to explore those and identify. Very engaging session. Stay blessed. Thank you all. Thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Especially the citations, ma'am, and the translation bit, the pinning bit was something like new.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you.
Citation
I
is
was,
good.
और मैंने calculate किया, मेरे पास almost 20 to 25 minutes थे for everything. I felt like to give you more, but certainly I'll try to work on one particular session, for longer. And it has wonderful tools. Trust me, once you make the habit on working in Google, you will never ever work with Microsoft. That is my bet. Because that is the wonderful thing which we can work on. कहीं पे भी कभी भी जाके open करो. I am used to work on my mobile phones also, right? कि मैं अपने mobile phones में ही मैं बैठे बैठे कहीं पे कर लेती हूँ. I don't have to open any other thing. So this is the wonderful platform which gives us, free access anywhere. So thank you so much for being so patient and for listening continuously to me for so long. Thank you for your patience. I hope ki, if not much, at least some or other thing I was able to give you.
Ma'am, I've got one thing to say. That link which has been shared, the feedback form, I've just clicked on it, but it is saying invalid.
Invalid, yes, ma'am. It is coming invalid.
Now you check, ma'am. वो उसके साथ मैंने feedback लिख दिया ना, इसीलिए वो चला गया.
Yeah. Now it is there. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much. Thank you, Matthew sir. Thank you for your patience as well. आप तो जय
Thank
मोह, आपसे तो हम सीखते हैं इतना कुछ.
No, thank you for conducting sessions, because there is always a new dimension. When a new person explains, there is always a new dimension. So I was very much engrossed in the session, and thank you once again. And as somebody also said, certain things we take for granted, but actually when we start exploring, there are so many other things. One thing leads to the other.
Exactly.
Yeah, thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much. Thank you, each one of you. I'll surely share the recording into the group. I'll share the link as well. Thank you for being here.
Certificate link, I think we can share in the group. I think,
Yes,
isn't?
sir.
Yeah.
Yes,
Oh,
sure, sir.
yeah. Okay.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank
I
you,
will be
ma'am.
taking
Thank you,
notes.
Matthew sir. Thanks a
Thank
lot
you,
for the
thank you,
engaging
thank
session.
you,
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you.
Thank you, Matthew sir. Thank you, everybody.
Yeah, thank you everyone also to be there so long. Thanks a lot. Bye.
Thank you. Bye.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
Bye.
Wonderful session.
I'll be
Thank you,
taking
sir.
leave after all of you. Thank you so much.